If you're in perimenopause, these are the two most common injuries that I see with clients. Can you guess what they are? Side note, does anyone else just love working from bed? I could live in bed, eat, sleep, work, all the things. Anyways, I just got off a virtual consult and this popped up and I was like, all right, we need to let everyone know that this is common. You are safe. It is, unfortunately, I don't want to say normal, but we need to get to the bottom of these injuries, and it's a multi-layer approach, and we really need to address all the layers. I'm Dr. Audra, and I specialize in getting to the root cause of your pain. So the injuries are plantar fasciitis and frozen shoulder. And you may be like, oh my gosh, I feel so seen and validated. Perfect. I want you to. But there are so many factors here. So this is why you're doing all the stretches. Maybe you're rolling your foot on an frozen ice. Maybe you're, doing all your shoulder things and nothing's helping. Well, that's because your issues are in your tissues, and we need to be addressing not only the muscular component, but there's a neurological component, there's a stress component, there's a hormonal component, there's inflammation. All of these things are separate, but at the same time pieced together, which is what makes my job so fun. It's putting puzzles together for everyone all day and really getting to the root cause of what's going on. So you may be like, cool, Dr. Audra, now what do I need to do? Well, the first step is this something that's just like a fluke, or is this reoccurring? Is it actually plantar fasciitis? Because so many people come in and walk in, and I had a football player who was like, an NFL player was like, yep, they diagnosed me with plantar fasciitis. It wasn't plantar fasciitis. There are so many other ligaments, tissues, nerves in your feet that we got to first find the root cause and make sure it's plantar fasciitis. So that's why don't get frustrated. That's why you might be finding all these stretches on the TikTok, on the Instagram, on everything. And you're like, none of this is working. This isn't working. Well, yeah, that's because it's kind of like basic info. We're not basic here. We get to the real stuff. So what can you do for yourself? First, like I said, realize this is reoccurring. Is this just a one-off thing? And then I need you to find a team. And I truly believe the doctor relationship can be your most life-changing relationship that you can have. That trust, that support system, that guidance, we don't value that enough. And I feel like we need to. And you're having them do what they're good at. You can't be good at everything. Hello, I'm really good at my job, but my life skills and everything else are very subpar. Adulting is hard. So you're not expected to know everything and be a doctor. I want you to listen to your body and be able to tell me what's going on. And then I can help you and guide you and really figure out what's going on. And then identify step 2 is, okay, so we identified this as a recurring issue. 3, track your cycles. We need some data to go on. And then I really love when people come in with a journal of hey, I felt like this week. I felt like this week. These symptoms popped up this day. I do notice, oh my gosh, I'm more anxious later in my cycle. Oh, I've skipped, 2 cycles. Just the more information, the better. And it also is allowing you to reflect on your body. Hey, when I walk, this feels good. Maybe when I run, this hurts. And just gathering all that information so you know what to do. I have game plans for shoulders and plantar fasciitis. We offer virtual consultations. There are many ways and many other practitioners out there too to help you and that really want to be part of your team and part of your support. So I really just wanted to get on here to let you know these are the 2 most common injuries, not that there's not others, and you're not alone, and we can help you.